Welcome to our discussion on the benefits of red light therapy for muscle recovery and athletic performance. This innovative therapy is gaining attention for its potential to enhance recovery and boost performance in athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Intense physical activity can lead to muscle stress, causing tears, inflammation, and lactic acid buildup. Red light therapy offers a non-invasive solution by promoting faster recovery through reducing inflammation and enhancing cellular energy production. Red light therapy reduces muscle inflammation by modulating cytokine production, alleviating soreness and stiffness. This allows athletes to recover quickly and return to peak performance, making it an essential tool for muscle recovery. By stimulating mitochondria, red light therapy increases ATP production, the primary energy source for muscle cells. This boost in cellular energy helps muscles recover faster, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall athletic performance. Effective muscle recovery requires adequate blood flow. Red light therapy promotes nitric oxide release, improving circulation and ensuring muscles receive necessary nutrients, reducing recovery time and improving endurance. Red light therapy also reduces oxidative stress by increasing natural antioxidants, protecting muscle cells from damage. This promotes faster recovery and muscle regeneration, reducing injury risk and enhancing muscle strength. Incorporating red light therapy into training routines can improve endurance, speed up recovery, and prevent injuries. Athletes can train more frequently and intensely, leading to greater improvements in strength and performance. In conclusion, red light therapy is a powerful tool for enhancing muscle recovery and athletic performance. By incorporating it into your routine, you can achieve faster recovery, improved endurance, and peak performance. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video, where we'll be exploring practical protocols for red light therapy using our 633 nanometers lineup.